What I really want to know is I want to learn about, first of all, the origin story of this company. I want to learn about what you've done in the past and what you're doing now to continue to support the trucking industry, hopefully for another 100 years. So let's take it all the way back. When did AMBAC get started?
Well, as you mentioned, we're 110 years going. So you could put it, we've been serving customers for 110 years. We've been figuring out ways to solve their problems for, a century. So we started with very humble beginnings. Early 20th century, we produced magnetos for radios. As time progressed, we started to look at other commodities. We ultimately ended up making parts for the aviation industry in the mid 20th century. We actually had some parts that facilitated the Apollo landings, which we're extremely proud of. As we got a little bit later in the century, we kind of progressed more toward fuel injection. That's kind of our main commodity as we stand right now. We're also proud to announce that we've been supporting our military for over 20 years now, and we're very proud of that defense relationship. So.